Alright, it's tassel time. I know that this is a tortoise, because it will be a land turtle, but if anyone corrects me in the comments, they're stupid and idiot. So the first thing you want to do is make a ball, a spherical object, with a radius that is equidistant to any point on its surface. If you can't do that, then you can't make this. In fact, you should use all of your blue-tack to make this ball. Actually, you shouldn't. Actually, you should use about 2/3 of blue-tack you're going to use. But this is a good indicator of size. So once you've got your ball, you want to flatten down all the sides. Now, at this stage, it's good to have some form of tool that is flat, and that is the only property that it needs. It needs to be flat. I'm using a ruler. So I kind of go, the ball doesn't work. Okay, what you gotta do is just kind of make a cup in your hand and put it in there and flatten down one side so the other side gets turtled. See, that's the shell. Try that again. Make sure that worked. And just kind of work on it until you have like a half circle that's squished. A squishy half circle. That makes perfect sense as a thing to say. So once you've got your squishy half circle, you want the next part. You should usually roll them into balls because it's easier to split them into equal sections that way. And you want to cut a bit off. That seems good. And then split the rest into quarters. Good quarters, not bad quarters. So you have 2 sets of 2. And you can roll those up into little balls. Little cool balls. And then keep rolling. Flatten them down so you have sort of tiny cylinders. Then, after that, start sticking them on, one in each corner of the base, the flat part, for you non-term people. Round that out a bit. You want to kind of make sure that a lot of these is underneath, and also that they're not this thick. They're only this thick and large overall for demonstration purposes. Usually you wouldn't make a turtle this oversized. And you want to make a little tail. That requires very little blue-tack. Make a tiny little ball. And roll out the tip. And flip it over. And tuck it between 2 legs. And the rest is all for the head. Now here's the hard part. You want to make a sort of snake thing, but like a very thin one. Like, make a circle and then turn it into a very thin cylinder. Yeah. For purposes, this is usually good. Then sort of pinch one side and pull the other one up and round it out and tuck it under in there. Now using some kind of pointed tool, poke some eyes in there. Those are bad eyes, but they'll do. If you want, you can do a mouth. Then, if you really feel like it, you can put a pattern on the shell. And that's most of what you need to know. So, here's a little turtle. This is what a small turtle would look like. This small turtle is superior to that garbage big turtle because he's tiny and he's cute. But this turtle is also very cute. There's little dots for his eyes. And he has a nice patterned cream coloured shell. Well, not really cream, but like as creamy as brown can get. Fun fact, 90% of turtles are cute, but not this one.